So two of the challenges I think for a CFO are digital technology and the opportunity or the threat, and secondly, talent management. A few years ago, a customer would have perhaps walked into a retail store, would have chosen a product, probably would have been presented with reams of paperwork for them to read through the contract and sign. I've no doubt they would have done it, would have gone in the drawer, and that would have been the end of it. That's not the experience today. That's not a great customer satisfaction process, and actually it's quite an expensive process to administer. So digital technology enables actually that contract to be electronic, so that you can sign and walk through the contract. We can then embed that contract into your mobile device. You can at any point in time refer back to the contract, seeing how your behaviour is using the services that you've procured. You can perhaps keep your contract up to date if you change your address automatically. You can procure new services, change your direct debit, all seamlessly, all automatically, all on your mobile device. So that's a great example, I think, of digital technology just changing the business model for both a cost effectiveness perspective, so the shareholder's delighted, but I think we as customers also find that so much easier to deal with. So it's a win-win scenario. So how does O2 decide what to invest in, what digital technology? I think there's one simple rule, which is customer activation. What technology is going to be adopted most by our customers? If we love an idea, but we think of the 25 million customers that we serve, then only a very small proportion will use it, the truth is we won't invest. If we believe that that technology will ultimately be used by the majority, then it's got to be compelling. So the irony here is, I'm not talking as a CFO about a financial return, I'm talking about adoption activation, and that's one of the principles we use. The second challenge, probably one of talent management. Every high performance business needs to be able to attract, retain, develop and motivate high performance individuals. But it's not just about high performance, it's also about establishing a connection with the brand. Yes, of course, we want to attract highly talented, high intellect, motivated individuals. But those type of individuals are going to be just as demanding on the business as you want them to be on you. So we've got to invest in those people. We've got to create a culture and a climate for those people to excel. Otherwise, let's face it, a paycheck and a job title is just not enough for that type of individual. They'll move very quickly.